What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this really beautiful, glamorous, super easy makeup Vegas edition, because right after this I'm going to go straight to the airport to Vegas for about 36 hours. So stay tuned for that vlog. But if you want to know how to achieve this makeup look, then just keep watching. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's Slow Hollywood time. Okay guys, so today we are heading to Vegas, so welcome to my Get Ready With Me Vegas edition. So we're going to go ahead and prep the skin. So I'm going to be using my favorite primer right now, my Skin Tune Blur. This is by Farsali. I love this primer. It just really helps to smooth out my skin. So basically guys, I'm getting ready right now because my plane is leaving at 10:30 and yeah, I need to be ready by the time I get there. So I want to make sure my face is beat. That way I can just get to the hotel, put my stuff in there in the room, change real quick, and balm my nose. For foundation, we're using the L'Oreal Infallible, and this is in the shade 104 Golden Beige. And I blend it out with my beauty blender. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in the shade C2. It's pretty bright, but I like it bright. And into the little baggie it goes. So by doing this, it's going to really ensure that you don't forget any products at all, because I've done it where I'll just do it randomly and I'll definitely forget something. Usually it's like eyebrow stuff that I forget. I don't know why. We are going to be using my Studio Fix. This is an NC15, my little tapered brush. This is by Real Techniques. And I'm just going to set the concealer in place. That way it doesn't move, budge. And this is a pretty light shade, but it's like balm underneath the eyes. So you can definitely use a Studio Fix powder in a lighter shade for some extra brightness. And this is the first brush that we're using, so I'm just gonna dump it into my little bag. So I usually have a lot of makeup bags, but apparently today I don't. So I just said, who cares? I'm just gonna throw makeup and brushes. Hopefully my brushes don't get ruined, but it's okay. I'm gonna take my other Real Techniques brush, and I'm taking my other Studio Fix powder. This is in the shade C4, and we're just gonna go ahead and set the rest of the skin. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna dump these two in our baggie. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Rosewood bronzer to bronze up the skin. I'm next going to take some Hoola, and this is just going to be for contouring to kind of really chisel out the cheekbone area and a little bit of the nose. For blush, I'm going to use Peachy Keen by MAC. I love this one. I'm going to go ahead and use my Anastasia times Amrezy highlight. Go ahead and just highlight. I love this highlight. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this to the nose, the tip of the nose, and also the bridge of the nose. Okay, I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to take this one by Patrick Star times MAC. I believe this was his first collection, and I just started to add this light shade to the crease just so we can start to warm it up a bit. So I'm just using a nice fluffy blending brush to do this. And don't worry, because an eyebrow tutorial is coming really soon, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this brush for sure I'm going to throw into my baggie because it's a bomb. I'm going to take a more precise brush. This is the JS6 by the Jeffree Times Morphe first set of brush collection, and I'm going to deepen it up with this one right here. So adding this to the outer portion of the crease, and then kind of blending it upwards and inwards into the center. I'm just using circular motions. I'm going to take this little pointer brush and I'm going to go into that same shade and use this to smoke out the lower lash line. I'm going to take this deeper cranberry shade and we're just going to deepen up the outer portion one more time, the outer crease, and we're also going to be adding this to the very outer lid. I'm going to take that first fluffy brush that we use and just kind of blend this outer portion out a little bit. Okay, so for a little bit of a pop of color, I have this really pretty Bobbi Brown little eyeshadow. This is called Sun Flare, and this is the Luxe Eyeshadow Rich Sparkle. It's so pretty. So this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be adding this all over the lid. Oh, it's just stunning. Stunning. And it's so sparkly. It's like loose glitter. Wow, can you guys see how freaking pretty that is? I really like this. So this time around, I do want to add a little bit to my brush, and I am going to spritz it with some Fix Plus. Just a little bit. Let's see if it intensifies it. Ooh. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, bomb. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. Oh my god, this is like stunning. Stunning. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I almost want to put this in the inner corner as well. I think I'm just gonna do it. So I'm gonna pick it up. So good. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna leave the eyes just like this. I think I want to go into my Anastasia Times Amazing highlight, and I'm actually gonna pick some of this and just kind of add it also here, just to, oh yes, just to give it a little bit more brightness. Oh my god, this looks so good. I'm gonna actually add it here too. Bomb. I don't know if you can see it that much on the lid, but on the inner corner it looks stunning. Okay, so putting my little brushes away for my eyes because I don't want to forget these. I don't think I can take this because it's too big. Okay, whatever. So I have my little Urban Decay setting spray. So how many ounces is this? Oh, this is 1 ounce. So I'm just gonna spray some of my other one in here. I'm just gonna do Fix Plus. This is so cool. Okay. So yeah, I just put some Fix Plus in here because I don't want to take the big Fix Plus and then what if they like make me throw it away? Heck no. So we're just gonna do this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara and some lashes, and then we'll just pop on the lip. Okay you guys, so I already popped on the lashes, and I did use the Bad AB lashes, and these are in the style Instaho. I love these. I need to get a new pair because these are kind of getting a little bit, you know, wonky, but they're still bomb. So for lips, I kind of wanted to do like red, but I don't think I am. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take this Morphe lip pencil. This is in the shade Makeup Talk. I love this one. And I'm just going to outline my lips and also kind of overline them a little bit. Okay, and then for the center of the lips, I'm going to be using this one by Maybelline. This is called the Baddest Beige. I was obsessed with this. I like wore it the other day and oh my god, and I loved the way it looked. Look how warm that is. And it also has like a glossy finish, so you literally don't even need gloss because it's already bomb the way it is. So yeah, you guys, I think we're pretty much done. I'm gonna use a little bit, I'm gonna add a little bit more setting spray. Bomb. Alright, you guys, so that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me Vegas, going to Vegas style. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below so you can be part of this Hollywood star family. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.